I'm Caleb Elk, and in this video, I'm going to give an overview of Upwork, including a breakdown of the exact methods I've used to make over 7 figures on the platform by treating it like a digital lead funnel. I've also trained people to build their own 5- and 6-figure agencies on Upwork with over 7,000 current members. Now, Upwork was my bread. According to their annual reports, over $4 billion is transferred from clients to freelancers across Upwork's platform every year. What's crazy about that number is 97% of the freelancers on Upwork don't make any money. That's a 97% failure rate. If you've heard from your friends or your coworkers or people on Facebook that Upwork doesn't work, it's because of the 97% of people who fail on Upwork. Now, there's nothing wrong with that. 97% of people who try Upwork don't make any money with it. What that means is 3% of freelancers split that $4 billion pie on its platform. Now that's huge. Tens of thousands of freelancers have made 6- or 7-figure agencies just from Upwork. Now, when we dive into this, I'm going to break down the exact process, exact method that you need to use to land agency clients on Upwork. My agency has landed clients like Skillshare, Adobe, and Stanley Black & Decker, all from Upwork. There are nearly 200 members of the Fortune 500 on Upwork looking for talent like you. And most of the people on this platform, most of your competition has no idea what they're doing. Upwork itself gives terrible advice to people who are trying to get work on its own platform. One great example of this is that Upwork calls its workers freelancers. And when someone refers to them as a freelancer, that generally puts them in the wrong mindset. So I want you to think of yourself not as a freelancer, but as an agency owner. And what you're going to do is treat Upwork like a digital lead funnel. Now, just like a digital lead funnel, there are key steps in converting someone who just posted a job on Upwork into your newest client. It's going to be easy to set yourself apart from the other freelancers on this platform. When I say digital lead funnel, we're going to treat a new job posting like it's a lead. Then we'll use the same concepts for lead conversion that we would normally use on any platform for generating leads. A very common mistake is to ask for that job or ask for the call in the initial proposal. Few clients are going to post a job, receive dozens of proposals, and then start hopping on the phone with all of them. Way too many proposals for that to be reasonable. No client is going to block out 1 or 2 weeks for dozens of hour-long calls with prospects. Your so-called competition is doing it all wrong. So instead, break the client journey into steps. The first step you want a client to take is to click on your proposal. If you've ever posted a job on Upwork, you know that you'll receive dozens of proposals. And most of those proposals you won't even look at, okay? You won't even click on them. There are three factors that drive getting your proposal clicked on: your photo, your profile title, and the first 100 or so characters of your cover letter. That's all a client sees when they're scrolling through the list of proposals. I'll cover each of those in other videos, but so many people I've worked with have spent weeks and weeks trying to get the perfect profile. And your profile isn't actually very important on Upwork. A client looking at your profile is pretty far into the journey of hiring you and is almost certainly ready to hop on a call unless your profile is embarrassingly bad. As long as your profile isn't embarrassing, you're good to go and start sending proposals. Focus on those 3 items that will actually get a client to click on your proposal. Once they click to read the entire proposal, our call to action is very simple. All we want for them is to reply. That's it. Not schedule a call, not hit the hire button, just reply. Once they reply, Upwork will automatically move you into category of interviewing. Upwork has also designed its client interface to not be super easy to go back to the list of proposals once they've sent messages. Just like grocery stores that put milk in the back, so you need to walk through all the aisles and maybe buy something else, Upwork wants clients to hire freelancers and not go back to review more proposals. To get them to reply, you should offer them something of value. Something that will take you only a few minutes to do, but they will find value. That I call an undercover lead magnet. This concept has helped so many of the new agency owners I work with on Upwork. To give them the undercover lead magnet, they need to answer some simple questions. Nothing like, what's your life goal or something like that, but simple stuff. Yes, no questions is fine. Psychologically, people are driven to answer questions they know the answer to. So when you ask them simple questions and offer them something in return, they're much more likely to reply. And finally, when you deliver the undercover lead magnet, your call to action is for them to hop on the phone with you. And that's how you treat Upwork like a digital lead funnel. Click, response, call, okay? It's a way to develop leads. That is, new jobs that were just posted into clients. But don't forget how important speed is. Send proposals very soon after jobs are posted. Minutes, ideally. And when the client responds to you, write back immediately. Minutes. If a client responds and you take a day to write the perfect response back, they've probably already hired someone else. Hopefully, you found this video valuable. Post your questions below about treating Upwork like a digital lead funnel, and I'll answer. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and turn on those notifications. I publish 2 to 3 videos each week and will continue to break down the exact process I've used to create multiple 6- and 7-figure agencies just from Upwork.